Let's quickly familiarize ourselves with the Yealink T54W. This phone features an adjustable 4.3-inch color display with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities built in. On the left we have the handset, and on the right is the display screen and keypad. These are the soft keys to quickly access call history, directory, do not disturb, and menu. Here we have the navigation keys which allow you to move around and select the items from the various menus. The volume keys adjust the volume of the ringer and the volume of the calls. You also have keys to quickly access headset, mute, voicemail, hold, recall, transfer, and speakerphone. Let's start by going over the basics. You can place a call by picking up the handset, pressing the speakerphone key, or if you have a headset, by pressing the headset key. From there, simply enter the number you'd like to call and press the call soft key. Once the call is over, simply put the headset back on the hook, press the speakerphone key, or press the headset key. If you press the recall key once, your phone will display the list of recent calls you've made. If you press the recall key a second time, it will automatically call the most recent number from that list. During an active call, you can press the hold resume key to place the call on hold. Press the key again to resume the call. If you leave a call on hold, the phone will beep twice every 20 seconds to remind you. During an active call, press the transfer key, then dial the number or extension of the person you want to transfer the call to. To perform a blind transfer, simply press the transfer key again and the call will be transferred. If you'd like to perform an intended transfer, then simply stay on the line and wait for the other end to answer. When you are ready, press the transfer key again to complete the transfer. If you're going to be away from your desk and would like to forward all incoming calls, you can use the Call Forward feature. Simply press the menu soft key, select Features, select Call Forward, then select Always Forward. Toggle Always Forward to On, then enter the number you'd like to forward calls to. If you need to dial a number to get an outside line, then please make sure to enter that number before the phone number. Finally, press the Save key, then the Cancel key 3 times to get back to the home screen. You'll notice your phone now says Always Forward is enabled. To quickly disable call forwarding, you can press the Transfer key. Your calls will now ring your desk phone. You can have a conference call with up to 3 parties including yourself. To initiate a conference call, press the Conference soft key during an active call. Enter the number of the other party you'd like to conference in and press the Call soft key. You can then press the Conference soft key at any time to connect all 3 parties together. When someone leaves you a voicemail, you'll see a message displayed on your screen indicating that. You'll also notice an envelope icon on the top row of the display and a flashing red light on the top of your phone. To check your voicemail, press the voicemail key, then when prompted, enter your PIN number followed by the pound key. Follow the virtual assistant's instructions to listen to your voicemails. Your phone has a contact directory that will quickly allow you to call other members of your company. You can also add your own contacts to this directory. To do that, press the directory soft key, select Network Contacts, select Contacts, then press the Add soft key. Enter the name and phone number of the contact, then press the Save soft key. Repeat this as needed to add all your contacts.